There is over 39 million people living in Tokyo. At its heart, a farm with a mission to connect with consumers. This is Rural Roots Canada, and I'm Craig Lester.
だとか、そういうこともしてきて、明治の
That's Masanori Isonuma, a dairy farmer who farms in the middle of the biggest city on the planet. Speaking through translator and local ag journalist Masaru Yamada, he talks with excitement and experience about the farm his family has maintained despite commercial and residential pressures from all sides for 350 years.
For him, it is very much important to keep going as an 14th generation here. So, and in order to keep going, he thinks that cooperation among community people and city people is vital to survive in this area.
The 70-year-old took over the farm at age 40.